Most people believe glass and mirrors are the most fragile things in the world. To a magician, nothing is more fragile than a single playing card. Introducing you, Fracture by Rizki Nanda. With a simple flick, an ordinary playing card visibly cracks and instantly restored. Break the boundaries of reality in your audience's mind. It can be performed on a spectator sign card. Best of all, no flap. Instant reset, easy to use. Packed with everything you need to perform the impossible. Get ready to break the reality.